Alright, so today I'm gonna show you how you can mint your own collection on Solana, and it's actually really easy to do, and we're gonna use the platform SOL NFT because that's a platform where you can upload Solana NFTs, make your Solana collection without being verified, so you can just upload your NFTs there easy and fast. But first up, you of course need to connect your wallet, and you don't use MetaMask for that or Coinbase wallet. You use, you can see right here actually, the wallets there is that you can use. The most popular one, I'm pretty sure, is Phantom. That's at least what I'm using. And you can get that by visiting phantom.app. Just hit download when you're on the site, and you can download it for desktop right here. When you've done that, it's just like setting up a MetaMask wallet. It's pretty easy. It takes like 5 minutes and stuff like that. Then you need to connect your wallet. So we do that. Okay, now I'm connected. It always says my profile because you also need to make an account here on SOL NFT. You actually create an account like with email and profile picture and stuff like that. So that's some steps you want to do as well. But then it should look like this. You have your profile, you can visit your collections. I'm not going to show mine though. Here it's the wallet, and you also need some Solana in your wallet. I don't have any on this account though, but this is just a showcase on how you do it. Then you have also create and collection. And now you can just start creating your Solana collection, like fill in the title, description. This description is stored on a blockchain, not on the SOL NFT account collection. The title, you can change this after, so you need to be sure what you do is correct. Description, you can edit that later, so that's fine. And you cannot edit this short description now. Then you need to upload your header image, and it says right here the pixels you should use. And there's an icon image, vertical promotional banner, and horizontal promotional banner. I don't think it's necessary to do these two, but you can just do that. That doesn't take that long. And text, you can just fill in the text that you want. Yeah, I think you can just use as many texts as you want. And the collection symbol is right here. So maybe like a shorter version of your collection. And if it's the not safe for work, and then upcoming collection. I love this about this platform. Then you can type in, like, I can show you to it after, a mint date. You can see how many you think there is going to be. You can always change this after, so it doesn't matter. And the minting date, what day you think you're going to mint, and the initial mint price. And then there's, of course, the socials. And then you can just create the collection. And I didn't do anything, but you can do that, and you'll have to pay a gas fee, and that's about it. It's nothing at all, like not even $1, I think. At least last time I did it. But the calendar thing right here that I love about this platform is that if you visit right here under Explore, there's all kind of collections right here, upcoming collection, and you can see right here the supply, the starting price, that was the price, and the date that you think about minting this. And you can always, like, if you wanted to mint it on the 14th, but you're not quite ready, so you can just change it to the 16th maybe, and it will still show up. And it's also non-verified collections and also verified, so you don't have to be verified to show up here. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.